Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bonk on Coinbase Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase Wallet, and here you need to tap on this browser tab that would be in the bottom. After that, you just have to tap on Uniswap and then you will be landed on Uniswap tab. Over here, you just have to first connect your Coinbase Wallet with it. So in order to connect it, you need to tap on the connect wallet button in the top right hand corner, and once your wallet is connected successfully, now you can start with the purchasing of Bonk coin. So you need to tap on select token option, and here in the search bar you need to search for Bonk. Now once you are able to find Bonk in the list, you just have to simply tap on it in order to select it, and here you just have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to convert into Bonk, and then you just have to tap on the swap button. Now once this transaction is completed successfully, you will receive your Bonk on Coinbase Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.